Oh shoot, this party is in a mall. Girl, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my vacation shopping while he's in there playing. I also need to grab coffee because this was an early, like 10 o'clock party. So I got up with just enough time to get ready, pick up a gift card, and boogie over here. So now we're here. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna cruise while he's playing, but this place is so adorable. The name of the place is STEM. It's science, technology, engineering, and math. And then it has all of these really cool courses. Looks like a racetrack and a few other things, but I'm gonna do a quick shop and then I'm gonna jet back over here to the party. I'm looking for something like this, a little more elevated, a little more plain, not with flowers and polka dots on it. And I already bought a ton of tops that are similar to this one. I'm also looking for lightweight jackets, but I'm not really finding any. So I'm gonna take a look around to see what I can find. I got one piece for next fall and winter, and actually I'm gonna be able to wear it because we still have a few chilly days. But it's gonna be a little popover. I'll show it to you, but I'm gonna head back to the party. Colors on it.
Isn't that nice? But what I was telling Key is that this is the kind of, like this brand Farm Rio. They have a black.
We're headed to my sister's house now. We are ending this day nicely. Look at that sun shining on me.
Gorgeous!
Look at you, you're glowing.
Thank you.
Hey, Larie here. Welcome back to a weekly vlog. In today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of travel prep. I'm also going to be sharing a vacation haul because I picked up some things over at Nordstrom, Madewell, and a few other places. In case you're headed out on a trip, then I got some travel inspo for you in terms of wardrobe. But first, I want to go pop out and get my nails done. It's been a hot minute since I've been able to do my own nails, and I actually need to get a pedicure as well. Also, how was your weekend? I had a full weekend. I got together with my sister and one of my good friends. We went out to brunch. We did a bit of shopping, which brings me to today's vlog. I am going to be sharing a vacation haul with you and a little bit of travel prep info. I have some travel coming up for spring break with my babies and my hubby. I'm so excited because this is going to be our first full family trip, hopping on a plane and going somewhere. It's so exciting because, of course, we haven't been able to do that in years, and we used to be on the go before the panoramic. So let's get out, let's get my nails done, and then when I come back, I'm going to be sharing some of the stuff that I picked up for vacation. Oh, look at that tree. It's looking so beautiful. It's starting to fill in. My roses are starting to grow in the back here, along with some flowers. Getting my beautiful nails done. I opted for a nice little pedi as well. I was actually going to just get a pedi, but then when I saw the color, I was like, oh, I have to get that put on my nails. So I am set for vacation. Let's get into this weekly vlog. I'm excited to share this clothing haul with you. I am prepping for travel and thought it'd be fun to share some of the things I'm taking along with some of the things I picked up. I recently went to Madewell, back at my store Nordstrom. I even shopped on a site called VICI that I've been seeing on Instagram for a while now. I just got some basic tops, which we will soon get into. I am also going to be sharing two small things that I picked up for the fall. This is a great time to find some beautiful things for fall and winter because they will be marked down really nicely, especially at stores like Neiman's and Nordstrom's. That's where you can come up, because of course they have all that inventory and they want to get rid of it. So a lot of times you can find some really great deals. Usually this is my time to strike for the kids' fall things and some of my fall things. So Anyway, let's get into this clothing haul. First thing we're going to get into is Madewell. Now, this is a top. This is not for vacation, but it is a top that I picked up for next fall and winter. And we still have been having some chilly days here on the East Coast, so this would be great even now. Today it's like 72, so I don't think I'm gonna need this, but it's very cozy and soft. The next thing I picked up from Madewell are these two tops, and I was so tempted to get two of the blue ones because the color is so unique. They're these linen short sleeve shirts that are absolutely beautiful. So this is the white one, and they're nice and flowy. Flowy is my style. This could go with so many things. I love it. And then I also got it in blue. I was tempted to get two of the blue ones because usually when I like something, it's a good idea to get two because you just never know what might happen. So it's good to have a backup. And this one is this really soft, subtle, almost like a chambray, like a really, really light chambray blue. It's not really quite denim. I don't know if you can see if it shows up well, but I love these and they're very comfortable, and they just have that one button there, so it kind of cuts low, so it's kind of sexy but not too sexy, and it's nice and flowy. And I'm wondering if it's linen. It feels like linen. It's got definitely has linen vibes. Yes, it's 55% linen. And it's linen and something called Linzing. I've never heard of that, but that's how it looks. Now for Jcrew, because I made a quick stop over at Jcrew as well. I thought I was going to need some more vacation shoes, but I really do not. I got my closet today, and let me tell you, some of them actually had dust on them just because I hadn't worn them. I don't know, they collected dust. So I stopped by Jcrew and I found these two beautiful dresses. And they fit so nicely. First, I'll start with this blue one, and you will notice that the cloud is rolling by and ruining my light. But you will notice that this blue is going to be a theme in this haul. But I found this dress, and it fits the boobs really nicely. It's just really fun and lightweight. It'll be great for just every day, dinner, or whatever occasion. Is just really nice. Again, a linen material. It's got linen vibes. I wonder if this one's actually linen. Let's see. And for any of these things that are that I share here, I will provide links below if they're still available. Yeah, this is 60% linen and 40% cotton, so it feels really, really nice. And then I got it in the yellow color. And it doesn't have the seersucker pattern because, let me show you, this one has that seersucker pattern. And now for the yellow, that also fits really, really. That's the yellow. This is what I found at Nordstrom. I went in looking for some flowy tops, something similar to what I found over at Madewell. I was unsuccessful, and you know, Nordstrom's is huge. I didn't have enough time. I actually went during a party. My son was at a party. He was at a party at one of the STEM stores, so I didn't get to really check it out. I only had maybe an hour to shop, but I popped in really quickly. I didn't really see anything right off the bat. So when I popped over to Madewell, I saw those tops right away, so I just snapped those up. I was looking for something more flowy like this with maybe a different cut because I like that flowiness. It still feels, dressed up, but not too dressed up. It's still very classy and casual at the same time, which I love. And I'm not very much into trendy clothing, so something like this would be right up my alley. Now for the Nordstrom bag, this is just a little something I grabbed right away. This was a little sweater that was on sale. This is going to be great for working out and just popping something on. Often I find I'm going for a walk or I'm going for a run and I just need something lightweight. I don't need a big heavy coat, and lately that's what I've been wearing. Like I said, it's still pretty chilly here. I imagine it's going to be warming up, but this is also good for lounging around the house because even during the summer, my house feels very cold because I live with a bunch of penguins. So this is going to be keeping me warm even in the summer and in the fall, and for any other potential days that we might have if the weather cools off, you know, sporadically, because you just never know what you're going to get here on the East Coast. But it's really soft. I don't know the materials, by the company Treasure and Bond, which is actually the same company that made these tops here. And I found these at Nordstrom probably about 2 years ago. So they make really, really nice tops and clothing. So that is the Nordstrom bag. Now let's get into this small package from VICI. And after that, I'm going to show you what some of the things I have picked out for vacation and what I plan to wear. So we'll get into that as well. So I picked up these small tanks that can go with everything. And I got one in black and I got one in white. I also had it in a nude color, which I found at Urban Outfitters last year. And these have such a nice cut. The one that I have from Urban Outfitters actually looks like this, but it looks really great on, and it has a nice low cut, but not too revealing, which is really good. And they just go with everything. Jeans, skirts. I actually paired, so I have it in white, and then I got it in this black color. Let me show you the black. And they usually have really good sales on their site, and everything's reasonably priced. So check VICI out when you get a chance if you've never heard of them. They have really nice casual classic cut, really pretty pieces. So I also, last time I wore this top during the summer, I paired it with a skirt like this, and then I just accessorized it, so it went really well. Which brings me to this rack I have here. I'm going to show you the pieces that I have chosen for the trip. But these are, let me tell you, these are so comfortable. And so when I saw those on the VICI website, I snapped up 2 other colors. Almost got another color like this nude color, just because over time, I imagine that this, it won't be, the elasticity won't hold up. So it'll lose some of its bounce. But so far it's good. I've washed this thing a million times. And again, I got this one at Urban Outfitters, but they feel very much like the same material, so it should be fine. All right, so let's move into this clothing rack. All right, the sun is just all over the place, but we're gonna keep it rolling. All right, so the next thing we're gonna get into, anybody ever work in retail and find yourself still finger spacing? That used to be torture, but now I do it even with my own clothes. Anyway, these shorts I bought last August, and they were a little too tight, but now they fit perfectly. I probably should just try them on for you, but they're really, really cute. So I taking those with me. And of course you saw this top here. And I also have a lightweight t-shirt that I found on off Saks Fifth. It's very, very thin. Actually, hold on, let me show you. It's like that. Very, very sheer, but nice. Great fit, very breezy and easy. And then of course these 2 button-ups that I showed you earlier. This light is probably Coca Loca. Yes, it is. All right, then I have 2 skirts. I have this white one here. This one I found at Target last year as well. And then I have this denim style one, which is nice and flowy. This one is a wrap skirt. I then have these cream colored denim. This was actually in a Zara haul that I did not too long ago. I think it was Madewell, Zara, and Nordstrom haul. I will have that video linked below and you can watch it here. But these fit so nicely, so I'm going to take those as well, and it will actually go well with this button up that I have. This is Cloth and Stone. They also make really great button up flowy tops and just everyday tops that you can wear that are classy and stylish, but not too structured and stiff. They have a nice flow to them. So I think these would look really great together with, of course, some gold accessories. And the wonderful thing about this shirt, it just goes with so many things. It goes really well with these shorts. I think that would be cute together. Does it show? Yeah. Let me make sure I can see it. So these shorts would look really nice with this. Let me unhook it. These would look great together. just if it's chilly and you want to have like some long sleeves. And then I picked up a red dress. I don't know how much we'll be dining out for dinner, but this is definitely an option. I wanted to make sure I take an option for dinner, and I actually chose two. This red one and then this black one that I got at Madewell last month, which is also in that same haul that I mentioned a second ago. Got a lint on it and I've worn it already. It's super comfortable and flowy. I love it. I wore it to brunch on Saturday. I also have this that I got from H&M last year. I haven't gotten to wear it, but it's this really long piece. And it could be a beach cover up or a dress, and it ties at the waist, which is really nice. I don't know if I'd wear it as a dress, but it's really, really nice. So next we're gonna move into some of the shoes I plan to take with me. I thought it was, like I mentioned earlier, I thought I was gonna need more, but I really do not. In fact, I need to get rid of some stuff, and that's one of the things that's just been on my list. I've been needing to get rid of a ton of dresses. I have so many dresses. My closet is pretty much in spring and summer all year round. I don't have many winter clothing items or even fall, and that's something I want to change. I definitely want to get rid of some of the dresses that I have. That'll probably happen when we get back, when I do a pretty big closet declutter, because I don't need all of those dresses. Some of them I'm holding on to, I think, for like sentimental reasons. Anyway, let's check out the shoes and I'll see you in a bit. These are, I don't know if I'm gonna take these. These are kind of need to be retired, but I love them so much. There's some Michael Kors that I've had forever. So let me see. They're still really cute. What would y'all do? Would you keep these or would you toss them? I just need to get the heel redone because of the mean streets in New York will tear your shoes up. But look at that. I love these still. Maybe I'll try to find some used ones because these are really, really old, but I love them so much. They just zip right here, and they really just are very versatile and sexy and beautiful. Come on, I still love these. They're so old though. Would you toss them or would you keep them? Are they done? What do y'all think? I love them. I might have to keep these in rotation now. And it has a small heel, nothing crazy. I can still like walk in them. It's not a big deal. I walk all over. So that's what I am doing in terms of the things that I'm taking. Of course, I may have to scale back because I tend to overpack. I had gotten better. I'm usually a little bit better. So I'm working on that as well. But for the most part, I think those will be easy pieces to take with me. They aren't bulky. Also, I think I'm just going to be rocking my hair like this. I thought about getting braids, but I am loving my little curly poof. My hair is just so easy to do. Pop in the shower, moisturize it, make sure it's detangled, and I can pull it up. And I want to experiment with my natural hair even more because I find that I'm either doing a twist out or a braid out, or I'm pulling it up into a bun, and I just want to rock my natural hair more. So in order to get comfortable with styling it and used to styling it again, I just have to wear it. So that's my plan for the summer and this trip. Plus, it's much easier than doing styles that require hours of time and then they only last a week or a couple days. Sometimes I'll do a twist out and it'll last for 2 days, but it will have taken me 3 hours or 2 hours. So it's not really worth it. So I can just wear my natural curls and just call it a day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat and prepping with me for my upcoming trip. Of course, I'm going to be vlogging everything starting with a room tour. I will see you again very soon. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and like.